And eleveni kunabantu that want to see you doing good but not better than them. So bazoqindezela it's either ngamagama or ngezenzo, but you must never lose focus. You must never lose focus. Kunabantu babhaya like abantu mfethu bakhohlakele.
Word of the day, ithi never lose focus. Kumele usibheke, kumele umeke sure, hlala usisters. Ubabheke laba yenza ngathi bakuthanga ma-fix marks, bayenza ngathi bafuna ukusiza kanti bayakuhlaphaza. Sithembe wena self, even rock something you can't trust. Ngoba ngayishiya la namhlanje kusasa uthokwela inkasi. Okuwesa ukuthi ishift isobana ngeke wazi. Walibuza kungaphinde usoyithemba kanjani into engafakazi. For imali abantu abamandi uphenduka uJudas. Man police kahlungu we police uJesus. Abantu bakhohlakela, abanye basacrifice ngegazi. Nelakho bangaliphuza for good bona baphile nice. That's why ngithi kuwe never lose focus. Nomthandazo mfulewani ubheka into ezonyakaza. Life is a journey and egcwele inyoka ekubehlathi. Usempini lana so shona khona and fight.
Melulwe empilweni. Melulwe and understand what at times life is just a DIY project. Do it yourself, because umunye umuntu uzokushaya ngesabotage waqindezela akubambezela strong ngezenzo ngenkulumo makahluleka shaye African way.